Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to all of us, and welcome to another video. And in this video, we're gonna watch another, French artist called Niska. I think I've watched a couple of his videos. Probably I don't remember. I'm not able to recollect the song title, but yeah, I have watched a couple of his videos, and oh my god, his like way beyond. I cannot even describe what is the way he sings or the way he raps. Yeah. So yeah, and coming to this video, where is the video? Come on, man. Yeah, let's go. This video was uploaded on October 6th, and this video is having like almost closer to 8 million views. Let's check this video out. Excited. Let's see. Arga, Millennium. I wish I could have understood the lyrics too. So excuse me, guys, if I did not react to the song properly. But yeah, I really enjoy listening to this artist. He's got that style, man. He's got his own style. Yeah, because most of the rappers do the same thing, but this guy has his own style. Yeah, I think he's pretty famous in the France or French-speaking countries, probably. I think the background is green screen effects actually. Yeah, that's what I can say. It's not the real. But it's good. The song is good. Yeah, I wish I could have understood the lyrics too, but yeah. That's all for this video, guys, and if you guys have any other video suggestions, please do drop them in the comment section below, and hopefully I'll be checking another French video from Oral San, or I don't know, but the song name is Basic. So I did a French version, but I'm gonna do an English version too, because I not understand the lyrics. One of the subscriber he suggested me to do a reaction video on the English version of that. So yeah, so definitely I'd be doing that video. So stay tuned, and yeah, if you guys have any other video suggestions, please do drop them in the comment section below. I definitely have to check them out. And that's all for this video, guys. In the next video, until then, keep frying the potatoes. Peace.